Ever find yourself copying and pasting directly from a source? Stop right there. In academic writing, simply copying is a big no-no. It's called plagiarism, and it's serious. So, what's the solution? Paraphrasing. It means taking someone else's idea or information and putting it into your own words, with your own sentence structure. It's about showing you understand the material, not just repeating it. Paraphrasing is essential to avoid plagiarism. It protects your academic honesty and shows that you're capable of analyzing and synthesizing information. It's how you build credibility as a writer. But how do you do it right? Follow these 3 simple steps. 1. Understand it. Read the original text multiple times until you fully grasp its meaning. Put it aside. 2. Rewrite it. Now, using only your memory, write down the main ideas in your own words. Change the vocabulary and sentence structure. Don't just swap a few words. 3. Cite it. This is crucial. Always give credit to the original source. Include an in-text citation and a full reference in your bibliography. Let's look at an example. See how a poor paraphrase just shuffles words around, while a good paraphrase truly transforms the language while retaining the meaning. Remember, changing just a few words isn't enough. Mastering paraphrasing empowers you to use research effectively, avoid plagiarism, and elevate your academic writing. So, practice these steps, and take pride in your own voice.